and welcome back to Addie's AG Adventures. And today I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me to go to Blizzard Beach, one of Disney's 2 water parks. First thing when we got there was we found a place to park. Then we got into the water park, and we had never been to Blizzard Beach before because we always go to Disney World while it was cold. So we figured out where everything was and where we could sit our stuff. And for the first time ever going to Blizzard Beach, I thought it was going to be like not as great as a theme park, but it is amazing. I would go back any day. I mean, maybe not over like a theme park, but I loved it. They also had this cool chalk art on the ground. They had Blizzard Beach, Mickey, Goofy, all the different characters, and some of the kids drew little Mickey Mouses on the ground too. Now walking into more of the park, there was a lazy river. We actually went in there, and there's actually a really cold part, and I went through it. It was freezing. This is Summit Plummet. I'll tell you a little bit about that later, but oh my goodness. And then there was a wave pool, and the wave pool was actually pretty cold. Now walking on to our next ride. Next ride I'm going to show you guys is the Double Dipper Tube Ride. I'm not sure if you guys could tell, but that one was super fast. Like, I glided across the water, and that drop, that's a pretty steep drop. Like, I came out the tube for sure. The next ride I'm going to show you is the Snowstormers. And this ride, I'm so sorry if you can't see most of the ride. Holding the GoPro and holding the handle of the mat was super hard. That was the ride. There was also the toboggan racers. I rode that one. It was also a mat ride 1,000 times, but I didn't film it. It was kind of hard to film because it was another mat ride and it was very steep. Also, the park was about to close, and I was trying to get as many rides as I could get in because we spent most of the day at the children's park. Then we got ready to go on the ski lift, which I had never been on a ski lift, so this was pretty weird. It was pretty fun too. The first time I was a little scared, but the second time was pretty fun. Over on the right-hand side is Summit Plummet. I did not go on it, but my brother did, and he said it was extremely fast. He thought it was fun. I don't know. I'm not sure if I will ever go on it. Maybe I might have gone on Slush Gusher, but the park was closing, so I couldn't go on it. But anyways, we're making it to the top of the slope kind of thing, I think you would call it. I'm not really sure. But this is the kid area. It has some like little like ice patches, slides. There's Summit Plummet again, zip line. We were at that most of the day, which is pretty fun, but I couldn't do some of the stuff there that I really wanted to do. So then we went to the bigger rides the rest of the day. I got some yummy Mickey ice cream, which was delicious. You guys should get some if you're in Disney World. And yeah. And before I go, I just wanted to give some shout outs to some people that commented on my Disney shorts. So first up, the Printing Crab, Simp4, Camilo, XOXO, Jaslyn, Bean, and Jojo B10. Sorry if I said any of your names wrong. I'm so sorry. I'm just trying to pronounce them the best I can. But thank you guys so much for commenting on my videos. And make sure to comment and subscribe to get a shout out in one of my other videos. Okay guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video and comment down below and let me know if you guys have ever been to Disney World's Blizzard Beach, and tell me what your favorite ride there was, or like water slide. Also, if you guys could please take a second out of your day and subscribe. We were so close to 100 subscribers, and I'm going to be doing something very special for 100 subscribers. So make sure to subscribe if you're not already. Thank you guys so much. Bye.
Hi, this is Addy, and before you go, I'd like to say thank you so much for watching this video. Addy, I need your help. I'm filming. I'll come help you in just a second. Anyway, if you like this video, I'm sure you'll like my other videos. It's mine. No, it's mine. I hit it first. Stop. While I do with this, I'll pass it over to my friend. Hi, and I'm going to show you how you can get to my channel and my videos. So first thing you can do is type in Addy's AG or Addy's AG Adventures. And once you've searched that, it should bring you to all of my different videos and my icon. So one way you can get to my channel is by clicking the icon, and that should bring you to this page where you can see all my videos and subscribe. You can subscribe right beside my little icon. Or you can click on my video, scroll down, and scroll down, you'll see an icon. You can click that. You can also subscribe there, and that's where you can find all my videos. One last thing, if you like my videos and want to subscribe, that'd mean a lot. Bye!